Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to get the journals list discontinued from the Scopus database. Generally, each and every journal will have certain indexing. So one such important indexing is Scopus. Before publishing our article, it is mandatory to check whether that journal is included in the Scopus or it is discontinued from the Scopus. Most of the journals, even if they are discontinued from the source list, still they have represented it is under Scopus indexing. So, the three main checks you have to do before publishing your articles are: the first thing, you need to go to that journal website homepage and cross check it whether it is present in the Scopus database. If that is present, then go to the Scopus website and check whether the journal is in source list. Then the third one is download the recently discontinued list of journals from the Scopus website and then cross verify it. Once you have verified, then you start submitting your manuscript. Generally, the Scopus website will be updated twice in a year. So they do in April or May or September and October. So these are the months at which the Scopus database will get updated every year. And similarly, discontinued source list will be released in the Scopus website every year. So in the current year, 2020, so far there have been released two discontinued source lists, one in Feb 2020 and the another one in June 2020. So in this video I am going to share you how to get the discontinued source list from online. So go to your browser and type Scopus title list, then click the first appeared link, scroll down. So here you can find three different documents in Excel format. The first one represents the source title list. So this document will tell you what are the current journal list included in the Scopus. And the next one is, it will tell you about the list of book chapters. And then the third one which we are talking about is a discontinued sources from Scopus. So you can download it and open, and this is the recent discontinued source list available in Scopus. So these are the journal which are discontinued from the Scopus from June 2020 onwards. And if you check here, newly added titles are highlighted in yellow. Already there was a list updated in the Scopus in Feb 2020. Now this June 2020 is the updated version of Feb 2020 list. So in that, the yellow color highlighted journals in this list represents newly added journals in the discontinued list. So this is the updated version of discontinued source list in Scopus. So if you check here, drug invention today, so this was present in the Scopus list in Feb 2020, but from June 2020 onwards this has been discontinued from the Scopus. And the reason here is publication concern. Generally there will be metrics or publication concerns will be the reasons for discontinuation. Metrics in the sense, if they don't have enough number of citations, then it comes under metrics type of reasoning for discontinuation. And publication concern in the sense, in some journals they might have written no publication fee in their website, but they used to charge certain fees for process. So those cases comes under publication concerns. So mostly these are the two reasons for the discontinuation of journals from the Scopus. Similarly, you can cross verify your journal whether it is present in the Scopus indexing or not before submitting our manuscript. I have also provided the link for downloading the list of discontinued sources from Scopus for your reference. Hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.